Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in non-Blox Fruits. To begin, always understand your game's unique leveling mechanics. Prioritize quests that offer significant experience points, often marked with special indicators. Make sure to utilize any experience boosts or multipliers available, as these can dramatically accelerate your progress. For example, a 50% boost can cut your grinding time by 1/3, making your journey much more efficient from the start. Next, focus on efficient grinding methods. Identify areas with high-density enemy spawns where you can continuously defeat foes without much downtime. Forming a party with other players is highly recommended, as many games offer bonus experience for group play, sometimes up to 25%. Optimize your character's build for maximum damage output to clear enemies faster, ensuring you gain experience at the quickest possible rate. Don't overlook the power of quests and daily activities. Complete all available main story quests, as these typically provide the largest one-time experience rewards. Participate in daily and weekly challenges, which often grant substantial bonus experience and valuable resources. Always explore hidden areas for secret quests and experience opportunities. These can offer unexpected boosts to your leveling journey. Finally, consider advanced tips for optimization. Invest in gear that provides experience bonuses, even if it means sacrificing a small amount of combat power temporarily. Learn optimal skill rotations to defeat enemies faster and more efficiently. Stay updated on game patches and community guides, as new leveling opportunities or changes to existing mechanics can significantly impact your path to the maximum level. This comprehensive approach will ensure your success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.